Ladies and gentlemen of the beautiful crypto space, here's a warning to anybody that is holding anything Solana related, anything in their Phantom wallet, anything in a crypto wallet on their phone, because something's going on today that every single one of you needs to hear about. Again, if you're not holding any crypto outside of an exchange, this is not too relevant for you, but still, you might want to hear it so it can save you some panic in the future. This video has two parts. On the first hand, if you've opened your Phantom wallet, which is the most known wallet for Solana, you might have noticed it was either empty or nearly empty. And that's because there's a bug going on right now in the Phantom wallet that doesn't show any of your tokens or shows them poorly or something of the sort. So a lot of people already sent some texts out, and every single group chat that I'm in has just been fully panicking because obviously seeing all your hard-earned money just all of a sudden disappear, it makes it feel as if you got hacked. I understand because I kind of feel the same way. Now, when checking my wallet right now, everything seems to be fine, everything seems to be okay, and I'm not sure if it got fixed over the last hour or so, but I still want to make a video about it saying it's not only you, it's tons of people. No, you did not get drained, and most likely if you look back at it now or in a very short amount, this is mostly if you're a meme coin hodler, and it could be that some of my memes are gone and they just didn't check properly, because how will I remember if they're not there anymore? No, but most of my memes are still here, at least the ones that I can remember. Phantom themselves has said nothing about it, but my group chats are filled. But here comes part two, which is, did you know that the App Store, and this is a PSA to anybody that's ever downloaded something on their phone, crypto related, right? Did you know, this is very important, that the Apple App Store has a fake version of Phantom? You might say, huh? How do I? Well, if you just download your apps the normal way, ain't nothing gonna be fake when it comes to most of these companies because they're the only one allowed to list it in the App Store. But, and I can't replicate it on my computer here, I've tried, but I do not know how to do it. On my phone, I can though, at least up till about a week ago. On your phone though, if you open up the App Store, sometimes there's an advertisement, right? So understand, it's not just, see if I can do it again right now as we're speaking. So if I go to the App Store right now and I type in Phantom, right, then usually just the Phantom crypto wallet shows up, a BitGet wallet, a Solflare, etc., etc. And then as an ad, there's a crypto.com ad in this instance. If I keep refreshing it, and again, maybe it's been fixed, I just want to warn you guys for future cases. But if I keep refreshing it, now I'm getting Kraken, for example. Let's quickly see. Now I'm getting DeFi. Before, sometimes you got yourself a Phantom ad from a different company. I've got it in front of me here, and the app also looked slightly different. I think the instead of a purple with white, it was basically a black with purple logo, and it was from a different provider, so that's easily how you can see perhaps. Anyway, I've been trying to replicate it for now for like the past 7 minutes or so, and I can't. So perhaps it's now been fixed, but again, the warning still stands because one of my good friends got hacked for, I believe, over $100,000. And it took us a long time in the group chat to figure out where exactly it came from. But it turned out he did not download the right version of the app, which is why I always recommend you to check the issuer. And more importantly, check the website to see if whatever they've linked as an App Store app is the same. I'm personally really skeptical when it comes to crypto apps in the App Store, etc. Because even though Apple has these very stringent systems, it can go wrong, and it has gone wrong with even a friend of mine who's been in crypto for like a decade because it's very easy to just click the ad because it looks almost the same. It was almost the same in every instance. So it was a really, really good scam. So actually, because now looking it up, you can see it was already a couple weeks back. It was the end of June. And I think as of this point, hopefully, luckily, and the friend of mine is 𝗕𝗫𝗫𝗫. But again, I wouldn't actually pick this up and tell you if I could not find it before. I did my own little research to see, and literally the first time I typed it in, the first wallet that popped up was a fake one, a fake Phantom. Again, it's all hard to provide these things for you now in terms of examples because they're slightly older. This one is from a few weeks back, and the whole Phantom drain, warning, scary stuff is from like an hour or so ago. And since I've not had it myself, I can't show you. I just wanted to warn people that in case your wallet looks really crazy, maybe refresh. Some people have logged out and tried to log back in and it fixed it. Some people are probably not here anymore because they were too scared and got a heart attack. But again, even 40 minutes now, somebody says, hey, good morning, Phantom. I woke up this morning and found out that all my token assets has been gone. Please, I have trusted Phantom for the beginning up until now. As a user of Phantom, I would appreciate if my complaint could be looked into. I patiently wait, yada, yada, yada. But I guess it's a really scary thing. I'm going to admit to you, right? I will have to admit, you know, it's even possible It's even possible that this is not even true, and that is just people all joking around. I trust Shanice, though. She's always really down to earth. It is true that even I'm getting cooked right now. I'm getting lied to. Everybody is joking. But from the way I kind of see it now, at least I just want to warn people in case it's real. But no, from the way I'm getting it now, it is actually either a glitch or it's Phantom themselves just hiding some sort of meme coins. There's a little trick that you can do, though, if you do not know. If you open your wallet, there's always a button that says receive, right? Which is your receiving address. If you copy that, and it's actually the same over on MetaMask, for example, if you copy the address you usually receive tokens on, and you go to either SolScan or EtherScan, and you paste your address right here. Let's just, I just clicked on a random address here. You are supposed to be able to see your tokens in this little overview. Again, it should show whichever coins you have in this little list. Again, this is just a random wallet, not mine. It's just a random one. Literally clicked right here on a token. Yeah, I just went here. Anyway, don't want to take much more of your time. If you want to check your tokens to see if they're still there, that's the way you can do it. You can try refreshing your wallet in case something did look fishy. Be warned of anything in the App Store because some sketchy things have happened, and I've confirmed it myself that even I, if I was not very attentive, could have downloaded the wrong version because I did see it as the first thing that popped up in my App Store. It was the ad is always above, right? And the app itself is underneath. So if you always try to click the first one, because some people, like, I'm sometimes surprised by the amount of people that click on Google ads. I always just scroll through first thing. I never click a Google ad, never. Some people do. Some people just click the first results, like real maniacs that they are. And perhaps they do the same in the App Store. Be warned, and that's about it.